Coming up in this week's episode, we start to prepare the inside of the hardtop for fibreglassing, with lots of fairing and sanding. Welcome aboard. If you're new here, we're Chris, Kelly, Olivia May and Orla J, a family of 4 living full-time on board our sailboat. And when the holidays roll around, Leo and Lily Rose join the crew, turning us into a lively 6. Back in 23, we brought our new to us sailboat with 0 sailing experience. In 24, we moved on board for a life afloat. Right now, we're learning the ropes around the south coast of the UK, saving as much money as possible, preparing our floating home for our dream to sail the world. It's chaotic, exciting, sometimes a little scary, but it's definitely the most rewarding thing we have ever done. We're sharing the real journey, the highs, the lows, the refits, the family moments and everything in between, and we can't wait to share it all with you. With it being January, the first job was to get a marquee and a heater to keep around the hardtop warm. Hannibal Hector. We started off sanding the front of the hardtop as we needed the form to meet the front better and also needed to round the corners, but when Dave from Willett came, he suggested we start on the inside to make it stronger so we could round the corners without damaging the hardtop. Here we are using a piece of guttering to make the shape for the corners on the inside to help give it a curve.
Your middle bit doesn't
Like that.
that's a hope if you start at your end that it
Yeah,
matches.
I just thought, can I change it? Can I pull it? That's why I came round. I thought afterwards it's gonna.
Yeah. Next one.
This got to meet, yeah?
Ledge over just a little bit, like millimetres, so you can't
I
see.
hope I've done that right.
Maybe that's not millimetres, babe.
That's what I say out there. I couldn't see, but here.
That's not millimetres.
Well, I'm not.
Yeah.
Right, so then what?
I'm gonna have to start from this end.
We've got to peel this off.
This has got to be cut
What first?
down here, because this is no good.
Yeah.
So this has got to be cut off here to make it smooth. This has got to be sanded, because this has got to be rough,
Yeah.
because that's
Why is that rough there? Is that where it's just not met
that's the
properly?
edge. No, that's the edge. Yeah, so that's got to be all sanded, like anything, just scuffed up,
Yeah.
so it's not smooth.
Yeah.
And then turn it over
And peel that.
and then peel that off there, and then once that's there, that is what it should feel like.
On the other side.
Yeah. Because that's what this does.
Yeah.
All that is resin on top.
And then
this,
let's cut this in half.
This soaks up the resin. We'll put it 3 to 4 times. Be 37. 37, it won't break. 37, 37, and 60.
Wow. Yeah, you know the one that came in and didn't see it. In 2 different things, weren't it? Oh, careful. Does it matter that it's pulling? Okay. What's happening with that? Yeah.
Where it meets,
Well, yeah, because isn't
that, and then cut down there, down that middle, because then that middle will be that.
because that's like too big for the thing,
Yeah.
isn't it?
So I'm thinking if we cut straight down the middle,
But that goes off at. Does it go off at a different?
no, it's the same angle. Because then that there, look,
Yeah.
is flat, and
Yeah.
that's flat.
Yeah.
So if we cut down that line there, which
Yeah.
is the centre,
Help, so it's hot. The vibration is burning.
see, does that bit?
Does it need to go all the way down to the floor, down to the bottom of it?
No. But does it? Does that bend need? The bend can't go straight, can it? Because you're never going to fill that bit. So it's got to go at the angle like that. Isn't it?
Yeah. Do you want me to hold it or not? If I hold it, I need to stop recording.
Is that all right?
Just to me. Quite excited that it's got a bit more,
Of a bend.
yeah, as opposed to it just being
So that goes like that.
square. Yeah. And then we have to fiberglass.
And on these bits.
I thought that's what we did the other day.
No, we did these bits and these bits.
Oh.
And this. Now we need to just rough these bits up.
quite a pretty colour, really. Do they do other colours?
Box is different. Box is not blue.
Just looks like slop.
Yeah. Taste a bit.
No thanks, you're alright. It's gonna drip. You still need to mix more.
Not this one.
Hmm?
This one.
After we fitted the gutter into the inside corners, it was time to fair and sand to make sure it was smooth, ready for the first bit of fiberglassing.
Plastering.
You hate that job as well. That's why you pay somebody else to do it at the house. Coming up, the day has arrived where we do our first bit of fiberglassing. We were excited at the start of the day. Join us next time to see if that excitement lasts or if fiberglassing turns into our worst nightmare. Thank you for sharing this adventure with us. You can join us on Patreon for early access to our episodes, behind the scene bits and other fun extras. Or if you'd rather just buy the girls an ice cream, head over to our coffee page. Either way, your support means the world to us. See you next time.